So here we have been given a circuit here, and it is asked that the value of load resistance so that the maximum power is transferred to it. So we have to find the value of RL so that the maximum power is transferred to it. And after calculating the value of RL, we are also required to find the maximum power transferred to this resistance or load. So we have already studied that in order to transfer the maximum power to this load, the value of RL should be equal to the Thevenin's resistance of this circuit. So our first step is to find the Thevenin equivalent of this circuit. And for that we need open circuit voltage and Thevenin's resistance. For open circuit voltage or Thevenin's voltage, we'll have to open this load resistance this way. I have open circuit this load resistance. And now we are required to find out open circuit voltage across this load terminal. For that, let us do the mesh analysis. This is our mesh 1 and this is our mesh 2. And this is our mesh current I1 which is flowing clockwise direction. Let us assume. And let us assume mesh current 2 is anti-clockwise. Okay. Now according to current direction, let us assign the voltage polarity at each elements. Now across this resistance, positive will be here, negative will be here, because current is entering at this terminal and leaving this terminal. Similarly, it is anti-clockwise. It means current is entering this terminal and leaving this terminal. That is why this is positive and this is negative. Similarly, this will be positive and this will be negative because current is entering from this side. Similarly, here current is entering from this terminal and leaving this terminal. So that is, here it will be positive and this will be negative. Now let us apply the KVL in this loop. Let us start from here. Minus to plus, so plus 20. So plus 20. Again plus to minus, minus 1 into I1. Minus 1 into I1. Now plus to minus, so minus 2 into I1. Okay, is equals to 0. So if you simplify this, 3I1 is equals to 20. From here you will get I1 is equals to 20 by 3 ampere. Similarly in mesh 2, let us apply the KVL from here. Minus to plus, that is plus 20. Okay. Now plus to minus, so minus 3 into I2. Minus 3 into I2. Now here plus to minus, so minus 4 into I2. So minus 4 into I2 is equals to 0. If you simplify this, 7I2 is equals to 20. From here you will get I2 is equals to 20 by 7 ampere. So I have calculated the value of I1 and I2. So in order to get the value of open circuit voltage, that is VOC, let us apply the KVL in this loop from here this way. Okay. So minus to plus, so plus VOC, plus to minus, minus 2 into I1, minus 2 into I1. So minus to plus, so plus 4 into I2, plus 4 into I2 is equals to 0. Now put the value of I1 and I2 from here. You will get VOC is equals to 2 into 20 by 3. I1 value is 20 by 3. Minus 4 into I2. I2 value is 20 by 7. If you simplify this, 40 into 7 minus 80 into 3 divided by 21. From here you get the open circuit voltage which is equals to 40 by 21, which is also known as Thevenin's voltage. Okay. The first part I have done. The second part is to calculate the value of Thevenin's resistance. For Thevenin's resistance, we will have to short circuit this voltage source. Okay. After that, we will have to calculate the resistance across this terminal like this. So I have short circuited this voltage source and we are required to calculate the R equivalent across this load terminal. From here you can see that after short circuiting the voltage source, these two resistors are in parallel. Similarly, these two resistors are in parallel. How? You can see here for parallel, two terminals should be common. So one terminal is, you can see here, this is common, and another two terminals is also common here. Okay. Similarly for these two resistors. In order to see clearly, let us redraw this circuit like this. Okay. What I have done is, I have joined these two terminals directly. Instead of wire, I have joined it directly. So this circuit and this circuit is same, just I have modified the shape. Okay. So from here you can clearly see that these two are in parallel and similarly these two are in parallel, and the parallel combination of both are in series. So RTH will be equal to parallel combination in series with parallel combination of other two. Now the equivalent of these two will be 1 into 2 upon 3. Similarly, equivalent of these two will be 3 into 4 upon 3 plus 4, 7. Okay. If you simplify this, it will come out to be 2 by 3 plus 12 by 7, which is 14 plus 36 divided by 21, which will come out to be 50 divided by 21 ohms. So this is my Thevenin's resistance. Now the question was, what is the value of RL so that the maximum power is transferred to this load? So according to maximum power transfer theorem, the value of RL should be equal to the Thevenin's resistance. Okay. Now the Thevenin's equivalent of this circuit will be a voltage source in series with a Thevenin's resistance. And the value of Thevenin's voltage is 40 by 21 and the value of Thevenin's resistance is 50 by 21. And the value of load resistance should be 50 by 21, which is equal to the Thevenin's resistance in order to transfer maximum power to this load. Okay. That is according to the maximum power transfer theorem. Now we are also required to find the maximum power that is transferred to this load. So first let us find out the current in this branch, that is V by R. So I is equals to voltage divided by resistance. So the voltage is 40 by 21 divided by total resistance, that is 50 by 21 plus 50 by 21, which is 100 by 21. So it is the equivalent resistance. If you solve this, it will come out to be 4 by 10 ampere. This 21 will get cancelled. Now the maximum power transferred to this load is equals to I square RL. So Pmax is equals to I square into RL. So the value of I is 4 by 10. So I square 4 by 10 square into this load resistance 50 by 21. It is 16 by 100 into 50 by 21. Okay, so 50 2s are 100. So it will come out to be 8 by 21 watts. Okay. So this is the maximum power that is being transferred to this load. So the value of RL should be equal to the Thevenin's resistance in order to transfer maximum power.